Hi, I'm Viktor, simulation specialist at PLM Group. I'm working with Simulia 3D Experience, and I will show you a way of connecting all the components in an assembly without having to define tie constraints. If we want to do it with tie constraints, we can use tie detection and find potential ties in the model. And we can define all of these, which would be needed to connect all the components. This could lead to a lot of over-constraints and requires some manual editing. So instead of doing this, we can now, already in the model, use the contact. The contact definition here in the model has the option to bond all touching components or all components within a specified tolerance. So I'm going to put an appropriate tolerance for this model here, and the definition is complete. In the background in the solver, this uses a cohesive behavior, this is how it would look like in the Abacus input file, and this is available for Abacus Standard at the moment. If we look at the results for this, we can, for example, extract the eigenfrequencies, and all the components in the assembly are connected. We can use the contact status plot to check which regions in detail are connected, which regions are bonded, sticking, slipping, and not in contact. So this could be quite useful if you want to quickly and simply connect all the components without bothering about the detail too much. Thanks for watching.